Evolution timeline, 1900 to 2040. Subject's evolution. In the year 1900, the world was built on classical mathematics. By 2025, the numbers began to move with purpose. Applied mathematics took center stage. And as we approach 2040, our understanding transcends the physical quantum mathematics. Jobs evolution. In 1900, it was men at typewriters and textile factories humming with labor. By 2025, a young adult training AI models, shaping intelligence itself as the new industry. And in 2040, the world works through holographic interfaces, mind-machine connections. Education and industry evolution. In 1900, it was 1.0, basic, mechanical. 2025 marked the leap to 4.0, digital, global, and automated. And by 2040, we reach 5.0, where education is neural, adaptive, immersive. Education has never stood still. It has always evolved with the world around it. Except now, education was supposed to prepare us for the future, but the gap is widening, and this widening gap is dangerous. World Economic Forum.
STEM job vacancies. The U.S. anticipates a shortage of 300,000 engineers and 90,000 technical workers by 2030, such as AI for scientific discovery and carbon capturing microbes.
Harvard Business Review.
Generative AI marks a turning point in learning and development.
World Health Organization.
Experience mental health conditions.
Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
In 2023, 40% of high school students reported persistent feelings.
Future of Education and Skills.
Emphasizes the importance of developing student agency.
World Economic Forum.
By 2030, 22% of current jobs
Skill in the next 5 years, as the double disruption of the economic impacts.
Current trends, 50% of all employees will need reskilling by 2025.
critical thinking and problem solving, top
Our skills in self-management, such as active learning.
Respondents to the Future of Jobs survey estimate that around 40% of workers will require reskilling of 6 months or
We need to rethink high school to prepare students for real jobs.
Skilling youth in tech is no longer an option. It's a national mission.
Kids learn best by doing.
The future of education lies in innovation. Our children must lead it.
What a good place. I love it.
The world is ready for a shift. Are we preparing our children for the future? Where the future isn't taught, it's built. Lab of Future is a research and training organization in space sciences and technology. Designing future-ready learning programs for students aged 6 to 18 and above. Not a school, not a coaching center, a launch pad. We bridge the gap between academic learning and real-world application. Preparing young minds with the skills, tools, and mindset to thrive in the future. Because preparing for the future isn't about teaching everything. It's about building the right skills at the right time for every age. To truly prepare for the future, we needed a curriculum that goes beyond STEM. Introducing Streamer, the future curriculum. We're not just training, we're creating the future. And we're doing it through skills that matter. We've built the labs, the programs, the partnerships. We've earned the trust, the results, the reach. Now we're looking for the ones who want to build what's next. If that sounds like you, let's build the future together.